An award winner in its category, Roma's KidFix brings you the latest in older child seat safety and comfort. Featuring our unique ISOFIX system, the KidFix anchors directly to the car's ISOFIX anchorage points for superior protection, and its indicators will confirm that the seat is properly attached. The seat offers multi-recline positions when secured, and there's no need to strap the seat when not in use. Should you have a second vehicle with no ISOFIX connectors, the seat can also be installed using a 3-point seat belt. The KidFix's design means the seat belt is correctly positioned over your child's pelvis and shoulders at all times. The deep, softly padded side wings offer complete, full-body side impact protection. The KidFix has a height-adjustable headrest, making the seat suitable from 15 to 36 kilograms, approximately 4 to 12 years, ensuring maximum comfort and protection as your child grows. The headrest also offers a safe sleeping position for your child. For extra comfort and convenience, the KidFix comes with a softly padded and washable cover and can be easily transferred from one car to another. The Roma KidFix, independently recognized by consumer test organizations across Europe.